Are only breathing exercises enough, or any other exercises also important?
Okay. So breathing exercise is the first part, which is must. But again, now comes to, because like I'm already seeing so many patients who after recovered from COVID, they're calling me that before COVID, we were at least able to walk, we were at least able to do our household work. But once we recover from COVID, we are not able to get up from the bed. Even going to the washroom is becoming difficult for people. Even like for ladies, doing simple cooking is getting difficult. So it's very important that you need your strength back in your legs, in your arms, in your lower back, in your neck. So all these muscles, they become weak during the COVID period because a lot of medication you are taking, you're totally on rest for 15 days. Your body has been gone through the tremendous stress, both mental and physical. So it's
Absolutely.
very important that you strengthen up your muscles, strengthen up your leg muscles. And so there are simple exercises to start with. Again, there are leg strengthening exercises, there are arm strengthening exercises. Again, you can start with the mild exercises, gradually see your stamina level as it's recovering, gradually then increase your level of exercises. Then you can come on to the little bit of weight training, also little bit of weight bearing exercises, which you call do in a standing position. So like I really believe that the formula or the theory of doing the exercises is like little and frequent. So like little exercises and frequent episodes of exercises. Like don't try ki ek baar mein ek ghante ka workout kare, 10 minute karke. Try to do every 2 hours. So it's like frequency, more frequency is required, and the duration should be lesser. So that really helps in preventing you from any side effects of doing exercises, or the like gaining strength faster. It will really motivate you that you are picking up, and make a chart of doing the exercises. That first day I have done this much of exercise and this much of repetitions. Second day, try to progress. If you have done 10, next day try to take it to 15, or if you're again your body is allowing, take it to 20. So make a chart of it, and then again follow up with your physiotherapist that how I am recovering, what's my prognosis. So all this has to be discussed again.
Right.
But
So, as we
yeah,
say, slow and steady always wins the
yeah,
race.
yeah,
So, it is in the same case of COVID. You have to make sure you give your body time. You
yeah,
understand your body. Listen about your body, what exactly your body is trying to tell you.
yeah,
And I can totally understand post COVID. It's already, you feel very weak. You don't have even, that much of energy to get up from the bed. And as you said, go to even washroom. It becomes so, there's a
yeah.
lot of weakness. So yeah, make sure that you
So like
give.
I will do like even I know because of COVID you cannot visit your doctor, visit your physiotherapist. So like you don't need to visit a physiotherapist for that. You can simply do an online consultation with a physiotherapist. You can just tell your history of your problems, and your physiotherapist can guide you with the set of exercises on the online consultation only. She or he can give you the exercises in the video form, what to do, what not to do.
Which
So
is
it's
great, I think. So
yeah,
if you're a Family First member, you get a free consultation with Dr. Neha, and you get an amazing chance to learn about these exercises. And if you're not, then what are you waiting for? Please join Family First so that you can get a free consultation with her and understand about these very, very important things.
yeah,
Because I think suffering from COVID and then recovering from it, but the part which is later, after that, that's really crucial, and that's very difficult also. So yeah, it's very
so
important that you recover with your muscles, all these issues which you have, the weakness of the muscles. Take care of your diet as well, take care of your protein as well at the same time. So yeah, these things can definitely help.
So I would really like to add here, Shivani, that as you asked, that is the exercises, any other exercise than breathing exercise.
Yes.
So other than simple exercises, very important to gain your stamina and to endurance. So for that, it's very important that you start your half an hour walk once you recover from COVID. See that if you're not getting too much of shortness of breath, and if your body is coping, then try to increase to 35 minutes after a few days, then to 40 minutes, 45 minutes. But walking is very important to gain your stamina and endurance. So pay attention to the walking thing. Don't ignore or don't feel lazy once you recover from COVID. Walking is very important in just building your capacity to do the exercises and gaining your confidence in like relaxing your mood also. Walking in generally relaxes your
Absolutely.
muscles, relaxes your nerves also. So just
Absolutely.
pay attention to walking also.
Yeah, so in any case, you can always start with, walking, and then slowly and gradually, when you feel that you have got more energy and your stamina is building up, then you can start with other exercises as well, right? But just make
Yes.
sure that you do any exercises under the guidance. You talk to your doctor first and then start with it. Do not do anything just by checking on WhatsApp or, YouTube, just like that randomly. Always make sure to talk to your doctor first and then start with anything.